Lotus Excel 1982 to 1992. The Lotus Excel, Type 89, is a sports car designed and built by British automobile manufacturer Lotus Cars from 1982 to 1992. It is based on the design of the earlier Lotus Excel, which itself was based on the earlier Lotus Type 75 Elite. Toyota engaged Lotus to assist with the engineering work on the Supra. During this period, Toyota became a major shareholder in Lotus, later giving up their holding when General Motors bought Lotus. Part of the deal between Lotus and Toyota included the use of many Toyota mechanical components in Lotus cars. The original Excel, aka the Excel, used the W58 manual transmission, drive shafts, rear differential, 14 by 7-inch alloy wheels, and door handles from the A60 Supra. The engine was the familiar all-aluminum, DOC 2.2 liters Lotus 912/4 engine also used in the Lotus Esprit S3. Launched in October 1982, the Excel received two major upgrades during its 10-year production run. With the introduction of the Excel SE in October 1985, the bumpers, wing and interior were changed, including a new dashboard. In October 1986 the Excel SE with an automatic gearbox was introduced. Further facelifts in 1989 saw Citroën CX-derived mirrors, as also featured on the Esprit, and 15-inch Oz alloy wheels to a similar pattern as the Esprits. The body was made from vacuum-injected resin and was made in upper and lower halves which were joined together, evident from a piece of black trim around the car. The body was mounted onto a galvanized steel backbone chassis. This manufacturing process gave the car a good level of structural rigidity. The suspension system consisted of a single transverse lower arm coupled with an anti-roll bar and a wishbone above the lower arm at the front, while at the rear the wishbone was mounted below the transverse links. Coil springs and dampers were used throughout. The Excel is also known for its cornering and handling due to 50 hours 50 minutes weight distribution. The Excel was never formally imported or made available in the USA, but one was imported for evaluation in 1987. According to the importer, in early 1987 we imported one Excel, and say, LHD, white with a blue half-leather interior, on a carnet for evaluation and public review. It was returned to LCL, Hethel 6 months later as required by the carnet and US regulations. The decision not to release the model in the USA was due to that country's stringent emission regulations, which would hinder the car's performance, and poor sales of the car in Europe. By 1991, Lotus was planning to replace the Excel with a coupe version of the Elan Roadster, but these plans were shelved as a result of falling sales, which saw the whole Elan project cancelled and no direct replacement for the Excel when it was discontinued in 1992. 415 are still registered in the United Kingdom as of 2011, but 240 of them are SORN, Statutory Off-Road Notification.